pursuing. It's hard to have these hopes and dreams, especially when I got.
Same time. Here we go, bro. Let's go. Happy birthday.
He's complaining.
What?
What?
What? What? No, man. What? No, man, it crazy work. Wow. What? But like my Honda? What? Hey, who was this guy? I saw him over here. What?
Over here complaining.
What?
We're just over here like, why do we need to be outside? What did he buy now?
That's a lot of money, bro. Oh, man. I was gonna get the 4-inch. This is way better. God, dude, what's wrong with me, man? What? Look, come on. What? Dude, what? I wish we could get on that. You needed your car. We've been talking about it for months. This? What?
Come look
You like it? Look,
yeah,
go.
please. Come look at it.
What? You like the silver? For me? And nobody's ever bought me anything. Merry Christmas. Oh my God.
Hey, yo, Daddy Dizzle. How you doing, bro?
How
How you doing, man? What's up? What's goody?
Who's car? Miss Adam's car?
Nah, what do you mean, my car?
Who's car?
I don't know. Let me see. Who's in here? What the hell? Jamal, Rima. Whose car you think this is?
Car?
Huh?
Adam's car?
I don't know. Whose car is it?
I don't know. Let me see. This is the car I showed you?
Yeah, you chose me this car, remember?
Oh, this one, yeah?
Yeah, it's my car. Yeah. How does it look on me?
Nice.
Does it look nice on me?
Yeah.
Looks nice?
Yeah.
Take a seat. Sit down. Let's see how it looks on you. Come on, sir. How does it feel in there?
Feel good.
Feels good?
Yeah,
Let me
nice.
see. Try it on.
Nice.
2016. Like it?
Ready? Yeah.
What do you mean it's for me?
It's for you.
This car's for me?
Yeah.
I mean, I would love to have this car, but I don't know. It just, you look better in it. So this car's for you, bro.
Yeah, it's for me.
Yeah, it's for
Yeah.
you. Yes.
Yes. Thank you, Adam.
Love you.
Thank you very much. Thank
Anytime.
you.
I've been waiting 22 years to give you a car that speed limit there, the camera there, back there's 3-row seats, limited, Want to put some
This is
music?
beautiful, man.
You like it?
Of course I like it. Thank you, thank you, thank
Love
you.
you so much. I love you.
Thank you.
Now look, this is yours.
Thank you. No
Like
way,
it?
it's my favorite car. This is nice and beautiful.
Like it?
Thank you, I love it.
Anytime, bro. I hope you enjoy
Thank
it.
you.
Don't
Yeah.
drive too fast.
Yeah, give me five. Thank you. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you.
All this.
Yeah,
For 2
thank
months.
you.
For 2 months.
For 2 months, yeah.
For 2 months, you thought that you're getting the car for me. But what you didn't know, that this car is for you.
Thank you very much, Adam. Thank you.
My dad is so like, he's so
I love it. Thank you.
We just say thank you guys so much for your love and support.
Thank
I'm
you.
showing
Thank you.
my whole family. Daddy, I love you. I hope you enjoy this car. If you guys want to see more behind the scenes, you can see behind the scenes here of my dad in it and driving and stuff like that. If you guys want to subscribe, make sure you subscribe somewhere around here so you can stay updated with my new videos. Say thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Say subscribe.
Turkey. Subscribe.
Subscribe. He knows
Subscribe.
he knows nothing about YouTube. But yo, enjoy your car.
Thank you.
Hop in.
Thank you very much.
Look
Thank
at-
you. Ah,
Fine.
it's beautiful.